Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. We've got a pretty dramatic story coming out of orbit today. A real-life space thriller involving 3 Chinese astronauts, a damaged spacecraft, and a nail-biting return to Earth. So, let's break down what happened. The crew of Shenzhou 20 Tiangong, Chen Zhongrui, and Wang Ji had been living and working on China's Tiangong space station since April. Their 6-month mission was supposed to wrap up on November 5th, just a few days after their replacements, the Shenzhou 21 crew, arrived. But their homecoming was unexpectedly delayed, leaving them stranded in orbit for more than an extra week. So what was the holdup? It turns out their ride home, the Shenzhou 20 return capsule, had a serious problem. China's Manned Space Engineering Office reported finding minor cracks in one of the capsule's windows. The most likely culprit? A collision with space debris. This is a huge risk for any mission. There are millions of pieces of junk, some no bigger than a fleck of paint, zipping around our planet at speeds faster than a bullet. An impact from even a tiny object can cause catastrophic damage. Think of it like a pebble hitting your car's windshield on the highway, but multiply that force by thousands. This debris comes from old satellites, discarded rocket stages, and previous collisions, creating a dangerous minefield in low Earth orbit. With their original ship deemed unsafe for the fiery re-entry through Earth's atmosphere, Mission Control had to come up with a plan B. Luckily, they had one ready and waiting at the space station. The astronauts would be coming home in the Shenzhou 21 spacecraft, the very same one that had just brought their replacements up to Tiangong. This is a fascinating scenario because it's like a space-age lifeboat situation. It really highlights the importance of having redundant systems and backup plans, especially when you're 400 kilometers above the planet. The crew finally departed for home, and their capsule was projected to land in a remote area of Inner Mongolia. Thankfully, throughout this extended stay and the spacecraft swap, the Chinese Space Agency confirmed that the 3 astronauts were in good condition, working and living normally despite the unexpected drama. It is a testament to their training and professionalism to stay calm and focused under such stressful circumstances. Meanwhile, the damaged Shenzhou 20 spacecraft isn't coming back just yet. It's been left docked at the space station, and officials haven't detailed its future. This whole event does raise some questions about the mission schedule. China typically launches crews every 6 months like clockwork, while they've confirmed the next mission, Shenzhou 22, is still on the books. They haven't given a specific launch date. It's unclear if this spacecraft swap will cause a ripple effect, delaying future crew rotations or supply missions. This incident serves as a stark reminder of the growing threat of space debris. As more countries and private companies launch satellites, the orbital environment is becoming increasingly crowded and dangerous. It is a problem that the entire international space community needs to address to ensure the safety of future missions and our vital satellite infrastructure. China's space program has been making incredible strides since its first crewed mission in 2003. They've successfully built their own multi-module space station, Tiangong, and have ambitious plans to land astronauts on the moon by 2030, making them a major player in the new space race. By the way, the latest mission that just arrived at the station didn't just bring new astronauts. It also brought along for mice to study the effects of weightlessness. It's a story with a happy ending, as the crew is safely on their way home. But it underscores the immense risks and razor-thin margins for error that are an everyday reality of human spaceflight. What do you think about the space debris problem? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like and subscribe for more space news. See you next time.